Many of you tell me that your insurance agent hates Medicare Advantage, refuses to sell it, and will only sell Medicare supplements. Now, why would he say that? You can ask him. He said, oh, it's just terrible that the networks and the prior authorization and this and that, and I refuse to sell it. It takes a lot of work to sell Medicare Advantage. You have to do extensive testing and recertification with every insurance company you represent every year. So we represent over 30 different insurance companies. It takes us hours and hours to do the annual training to be able to offer you a portfolio of Medicare Advantage products. A lot of agents don't want to do that work. So they're not going to tell you that. They're not going to say, yeah, I'm kind of lazy. I don't want to do that. They're not going to tell you that. They're just going to bash Medicare Advantage. Now, this is the dirty secret. Many of those agents that will no longer sell Medicare Advantage can't. Not because they didn't get certified, because they lost their contract. They were terminated for some reason. Now, I know this because I've trained insurance agents for a living. I've worked with tens of thousands of insurance agents around the country. And I know agents have lost their contracts. They've made some mistakes. Some were inadvertent. Some were maybe not so inadvertent. But they lost their ability to sell for those insurance companies forever. So instead of saying, I'm sorry, but I can't represent that company, they just say, oh, it's a terrible company. I would never use that company. Never go with them because they can't sell it. And you wouldn't know that, right? You just trust the guy. Most people just want to get in and get out. We're not questioning the veracity of our insurance agent. But when your insurance agent says, I hate this, or I hate that company, or I hate this product, you should have a little bit of getting your hairs up going, why? Why are you saying that? Not that he would tell you the truth, but it should raise your concern. A responsible, respectable, experienced Medicare insurance broker will be able to represent all the products in the market. A variety of Medicare supplement products, a variety of Medicare Advantage and Part D products, dental, vision, hearing, cancer, hospital indemnity, home health care, the products that people need in retirement. They'll be able to represent all of them. They'll be trained and certified and experienced in all of them, and they won't just have one company. When they say, I just work for one insurance company, that's a red flag. When does one insurance company fit the needs of everybody? It doesn't. But it's very easy as an insurance agent to only represent one company. It's remarkably easy. It is excruciatingly painful to talk to you about Mutual Omaha and then talk to your sister about Aetna, and then your brother calls me from another state and asks me about Cigna or Anthem or on and on and on. And I have to be able to be well-versed and experienced and have the resources at my fingertip to talk about all these products intelligently. Now, as an independent broker, I don't care which one you sell, okay? We probably make about the same on all of them. So I want you to be happy. I want to explain to you what's available, give you my experience, and let you make the ultimate decision. Because I'm an independent broker with a large portfolio, but if you're talking to somebody that represents 3 companies, you're getting a little slice of what's available in the market. Which one do you want, A, B, or C? Why doesn't that agent represent more? Was that agent not able to or not willing to? And that's a conversation that's fair to have. When I chose my doctor, I went and researched all the malpractice claims of all the doctors in this town when I moved here, and then I looked at all their claims, and then I went in and I talked to them. I interviewed 3 doctors. They were all shocked when I wanted to talk to them about their malpractice claims, because you can get sued for anything. So just because you have claims doesn't mean you're a bad doctor. But I wanted to talk about it. They were freaking out. Now, I'm an attorney, so I come from that mindset. But don't be afraid to ask your insurance agent why he has such a strong bias against one thing. Now, if he says, I never sell Medicare Advantage plans because he lives in the richest county in California, the richest people don't buy Medicare Advantage. They only buy Medicare supplements. That's legitimate. And I have a lot of agents out there. That's a legitimate statement. I don't mess with it because my clients aren't interested in that. The same thing if you work with very low income people. You're not selling Medicare supplements because they can't afford it. But if you're a well-versed insurance broker with a wide variety of clients in many counties or many states, you should be able and willing to sell a wide portfolio of products to your clients. That's the kind of agent you want to look for. If you don't want to work with us, the Medicare family, I understand that, but find someone else like us. Thanks.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.